how to build a website with Wix AI Website Builder. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be using Wix AI to build our website. So let's get started. To get started, simply log on to your Wix account, and if you don't have one already, you can sign up with your email address. Click on Create New Site to get started. Now, Wix has two steps in their Wix AI tools. First off, you can chat with the AI, and then after that, you can use the AI website builder. So I like to chat with the AI, and this is what enables the AI tool to have the information that it requires to build your website. So first off, you're going to tell the AI what your site is about. So my site is a photography, or let's say we're building a portfolio website for a marketing agency or for a fashion consulting agency. And then it's going to ask you another question. So let's see what our second question is going to be. What's the name of your business or site? Let's say this is going to be Lily Styles. Then after that, we're going to wait. What type of content are you planning to feature on your portfolio website? Fashion related content, such as how to style different body shapes, what type of makeup suits you, best colors for different skin tones like this. And now we're going to wait for our next section. So do you have any specific design preferences or inspirations for your design? So I want my design to be elegant. And yeah, I just want my design to be elegant. And you will see the site app. So the site type is a consultancy agency. The site apps it's taken is bookings, portfolio, blog, and forms. Can you tell me a bit about the history of your fashion consulting agency? So my fashion agency started in 2018, and we provide services to celebs and regular people looking to up their game like this. And now we're just going to proceed with our next question. And you're all set. So we have currently answered all the required questions, and we're going to click on Go to Dashboard. Now, our dashboard is being prepared for our website, and once our dashboard has been prepared, we can proceed with our design creation. So our dashboard is the back end of our website where we're able to manage our site content, including our blogs, payments, bookings, manage our domains, and more. So I'm going to click on Design Site over here. And once I do that, it's time to actually generate our design with AI. So I'm going to click on Generate Design, and it's going to take the information that we provided in the previous chat, and it's going to build our website template design according to that. So we're going to have to wait a couple of seconds for this design to be completed. And once our design our design generation has been completed, we will be able to modify it as well. So you will see the site brief, and if you click on any one of these elements, you will be able to customize these elements to customize the design site. So even with AI-based designs, you can actually do word editing, which is where you provide a new description of what you want in your website and your design is generated accordingly. So inspiring fashion choices, and it has several different elements. I think this design is pretty interesting. Personally, services, okay, fashion blog, I like that. I like the lower half of the website, and I don't want to change much about it. I just don't like this kind of scattered design. It just doesn't resonate with me. So I think I'm going to keep the design as it is, and I'm going to click on Continue with Design and manually edit this. So I'm going to click on Continue to the editor on the bottom right over here. And once I do, I can proceed with our final step of building our Wix website, which is the actual Wix website builder. So I'm just waiting for all of this to be loaded up. And once our website is loaded up, we can proceed with web building or editing the template that the AI tool has generated for us. Okay, so now that our design has loaded up, you guys can see there are several different photos in this design. And for that, I'm going to delete these simply by holding them. All I have to do is click on them and I can remove them like this. because they don't look nice in my opinion. So I'm just going to be removing them. I don't like the appearance of like these scattered images. And then I'm going to click on manage columns and I'm going to click on delete to delete these columns that were added. Then I'm going to take this column section again and delete that and delete the strip as well. Now I'm just going to move the text above and then I'm going to hold the section by this left panel here and move it up. Additionally, I'm also going to remove any additional strips or columns that were added, so it's easier for me to add my own backgrounds over here. Now, once I've done that, on the top left, I have a logo section. So I'm going to click on change vector art here. To change the vector art, I can upload my own media or I can use a different logo. I am just going to be using a fashion-based vector, so let's look around for the different styles that we do have available. And I think I want to go with this image over here. I'm going to click on add to page and I'm just going to be using that as a logo. And then I have Lily styles. Now I'm going to add some extra height to my menu like this. And I'm going to change the background to none. And I'm going to click on change header style, fill in opacity. And I'm just going to make it, yeah, like this. Now I'm going to hold the header and I'm going to move it down and I'm going to click on manage columns and I'm going to delete the secondary column. And instead of that, I'm going to add the navigation and logo section properly. We're going to click on text on the left, click on add heading, and I'm just going to rename this to Lily Styles. Choose a appropriate font for my particular logo, like this one. And I'm going to resize it as well so it fits nicely. And then I'm just going to attach it to the header like so. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on add elements on the left and I'm going to go into menus and anchor. So we have different types of menus, including vertical menus and hamburg menus, which are closed menus. I'm going to go with a simple horizontal menu and I'm going to be using a minimal style for my menus as well. So I'm just going to drag and drop this right over here. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to click on manage menu and I am just going to, I think I'm fine with the, items within it. I'm going to click on design and I'm going to click on customize design and I have the menu containers and then menu items, regular, hover, current page, and then I'm going to go into text. I can go into shadows and I can add shadows as well as manage these styles. So we can add a highlight color as well, but I think it looks fine. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Once we have completed our header, I'm going to click on the second section, okay, like this one, and I can click on change background and add a representative image for my particular website. So if I want to add a fashion consulting, a person that I've styled, I can add that, or I can leave it as it is. Then below that, we have our blogs, services, about, and testimonials. So I'm going to click on save for now. And as I click on save and save the domain, I'm going to go back into the dashboard by clicking on the top left. And I'm going to actually add the services and the blogs that are accurate to my particular business. So I'm going to go in our booking calendar and we can click on setup services here to go into our catalog of services. We have color analysis, style consultation, makeup mastery session. These have been added by default from the Wix AI chat and I can alter the price or I can just click on add a new service and provide my service details. So I'm going to click on start from scratch and then I can provide my service. So if it's per session, the price, the payment preferences, the location, and all service details can be added. And just like that, you can create your own website using Wix. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.